Welcome back to Speakeasy. Today we are learning a very confusing topic, do versus make. Both look similar but their uses are very different. By the end of this video, you will never confuse them again. So let's begin.
Do. When to use? We use do for tasks, work, responsibilities and actions, things you perform. Use do for work, job or duties, general actions. Examples: I do my homework. She does the laundry. They do business. We do exercise every morning. He did a great job. Don't do that again. Trick to remember: if it's about work or actions, use do. Make. When to use? We use make when we create, produce or build something. There is a result at the end. Use make of. Creating something, producing something, building something, food, drinks and decisions. For example, I make tea every morning. She made a cake. They make a plan. He makes good decision. We made a mistake. Don't make excuses. Trick to remember: if something is created, use make. Common expressions with do: do homework, do housework, do the dishes, do business, do a favor, do yoga, do your best. Now expression with make: make a mistake, make friends, make a plan, make money, make food, make noise, make a promise. Mini story for memory trick. Imagine you do your homework, then you make a sandwich. Work, do, creation, make. Conclusion: remember, do is equal to actions, tasks, responsibilities. Make is equal to create, produce, results. If you like this explanation, hit the like button, subscribe to Speakeasy and share this video with someone who wants to improve in English. Thank you.